Hi dear students, in this lesson we are going to discuss about rate of reaction. So first of all, we have to identify what is rate of reaction. So when considering about rate of reaction, Pute, the rate of reaction is the amount of reactants used divided by the time taken. And the rate of reaction can also be derived as the amount of products produced divided by time taken. So now we're going to discuss about the factors affecting the rate of reaction, right? Okay, the main factor affecting the rate of reaction is the surface area of the reactants, and next the temperature of the reactants, and next the concentration of the reactants, and then the action of a catalyst. So firstly, when we are going to consider about how the surface area affecting the reactants, we are going to take calcium carbonate chips and we are going to take calcium carbonate powder and we are going to allow them to react with dilute HCl, right? And after this reaction, we can observe that the reaction or the evolving of gas bubbles will be faster when you use the calcium carbonate powder. The reason for this is that when the surface area is increased, the amount of particles will also get increased. The area where the amount of particles will react will increase and the number of collisions will increase. As a result, the rate of reaction will increase, right? So in the next test, we are going to take two test tubes, with one with a normal potassium permanganate solution and the other one with a heated potassium permanganate solution, and we are going to put two iron nails to that. So here, the decolorization of the potassium permanganate solution will happen. So here we can observe that the decolorization of the potassium permanganate solution in the test tube where heated potassium permanganate was there will happen rapidly. So here we can prove that temperature affects the rate of reaction, and when the temperature increases, the kinetic energy among the particles will increase, and it will increase the number of collisions among the particles, and it will increase the rate of reaction. So finally, the tested factor is the concentration of the reactants. So here, when the concentration of the reactants increased, the rate of reaction will increase. Here we can observe that the solution with the highest concentration of HCl will have the highest rate of reaction. So you can observe the amount of gas bubbles evolving in the highest concentration test tube will be faster or will happen rapidly. So here, when the concentration increased, the particles in a unit volume will increase and it will increase the rate of reaction. Finally, we are talking about the action of a catalyst and action of an inhibitor. A catalyst is a substance which can be used to increase the rate of reaction without being chemically used, and an inhibitor is a substance which is used to reduce the rate of reaction, right? So a very good example for a catalyst is manganese dioxide. So finally, in this lesson, we are talking about the industries where certain catalysts are being used, right? So firstly, porous iron is used in Haber presses, the manufacturing of ammonia, and platinum is used in nitric acid production, and nickel is used in margarin production, and vanadium pentoxide is used in manufacturing of sulfuric acid. So these are the things that we can talk about this lesson, right? Thank you very much.